Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kwaku Dapaah. Today in our Microsoft Word series, we are going to learn about how to insert page borders. And there are two ways to insert page borders. The first way is come to the Home tab, then click on this tool, this border tool. When you click on the arrow beside it, you see an option, borders and shading. So you just click on it, then you choose page borders. So when you click on the page border tab, there are different styles that you can choose under style. Okay, so all these can be chosen. You can choose any of them. And when you choose, a preview is shown on the right hand side of the borders and shading menu. So you can choose any of these and insert into your document. But before you insert into your document or your page, make sure that you come to apply and you change it to this section or first page only, because we want to apply the border to only the first page. Other than that, all our documents will have borders in it. So let's say if we have 5 or more documents or 2 or more documents and we don't choose the first page, all the pages will have borders around it. So whenever you are inserting a border, be mindful of this section. So when I click on OK, you see that our border is inserted nicely. Or we can choose borders under art. There are also different borders under art. If you want to choose trees, you can choose it. Okay, you see that we've gotten this kind of border. Right. So this is the first method to insert borders in a page. And the second method is to come to page layout. Then you click on these two page borders. This will also open the borders and shading menu with page border selected already. So we can either choose from any of these as usual. Then make sure that apply to is at this section or first page. So when I click on OK, you see that a border is inserted nicely. So when done, I can start to type whatever I want to type. Let's say maybe the company. I can just type the company. Let me make the font size big so that you see what I'm typing, and put it in the center, followed by whatever that we want to type. You can type anything, and on and on and on. So this is simply how we insert page borders in Microsoft Word. Thank you for spending time with us, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel to help us grow this channel and also produce similar videos of this sort. See you in the next video. Bye bye.